Hello friends, today I have made radar project using ultrasonic sensor. Basically this radar is a long-range object detection system that uses radio waves to establish certain parameters like range, speed, position and angle. Now I will show you its working. So here is our code. Now I will upload this code to Arduino Uno. Uploading is done. Now we will open pre-processing software. So here is our pre-processing code. Now we will run this. Here is our screen. As you can see in the screen, whenever the ultrasonic sensor detects object, red mark will show. As you can see, now I will put obstacle in front of it. As I am putting obstacle, again, when it detects clear path, we are secured. Now so this is how it works. Thank you.